Now let's see how to create a quiz. At the top you'll find two choices, find a quiz or create. Let's click create a new quiz. You then enter the name of the quiz and if you want, also a profile picture for the quiz, which will upload from your device. Remember that pictures are an effective visual element to help your students to understand and remember. Select the language and click Create Quiz. You now have two options to create questions, create a new one or find an existing one. Let's see the first option of creating a new question. Click Create a new question. Here you have a nice page where you can write your question and add the answers. You see that for every part you have the possibility to add a picture. You can put 2 to 5 answers down. You can add a fifth answer by clicking the Add Answer option and delete the answers by pressing the bin icon. In this page, you can see also the button Tag Standards. This is a feature for schools from the United States. At the top of the page, you have the interesting option to choose single answer or multi-select, depending on whether you want to have just one correct answer to your question or more than one. The last step is to select the correct answers by pressing the tick next to the corresponding answers. The last thing to pay attention to is the time that your students will have in order to answer the question. You can change it depending on the length and the difficulty of your question. Click Save and you have your first question. The second option is Find an Existing Question. This is a tool that makes Quizizz different from the other quiz creator programs. When you click the button Find an Existing Question, you can enter the general topic of the quiz in the text box that appears. You see that a list of quizzes is shown on the left. If you click on one of them, its questions will appear on the right. You can have a look at them, and if you want to use it, you can duplicate each question, not necessarily from the same quiz, to your own quiz. This is a great time-saving tool, and as well, you can also edit the questions that you have duplicated. When you have all your questions ready, you can then save the quiz. Remember that you can always edit the quiz and the questions anytime. The changes are automatically saved. When you are ready, click Finish Quiz on the top right-hand corner and add the last information to it, such as the difficulty level and the subjects. Now your quiz is ready to be played.